Well, we got to Hotel Resort Venice Airport after hours and hours and hours of what should have taken under an hour. It took 4.5, 5 hours. Totally my fault. Totally messed up. It's not as if I travel very often. So this is a room tour. I think this room was, I can't remember whether it was 60 or 80. I'll put it in for you now. So as you come in, you've got some coat hooks there which are handy. Plug socket by the side of the bed. I'm not sure whether it looks like it could be both sides. Nice size bed, nice lighting, nice and spacious. They have a TV, although I suppose you can watch it from the bed, but it's weird to have it off at one side. And then you've got complimentary water, still and sparkling, which is always welcome. Huge wardrobe here that we're not going to make use of, and a safe as well in there, because we're just here for a few hours. They do shuttles back and forth the airport, and we've booked a shuttle bus for 3:35 in the morning. That's already making me feel really tired. There's tea and coffee making facilities here, although I don't know about, is that powdered milk maybe? I don't know where you get the milk from. So a nice little desk there, and then through here you have the shower and the toilet, which was looking a lot nicer after both me and Pandy just had a wee bidet and a nice size sink. Also, I noticed there's a theme going on everywhere I've been. They've got these little stools. But yeah, very happy. And one thing we were both saying, we're going to go to the bar, we're going to go to the restaurant, we're hungry. And then when we got here, it said the restaurant doesn't open until 6:30, which is fine. It's only it is 5:30 now, but the restaurant isn't on site. So she's booked us a shuttle to go at 6:25, I think. The shuttle is picking us up, so we'll be one of the first in the restaurant. Not sure where the restaurant is. She said it's not far away, but then the shuttle will take us and pick us up. So yeah, it's just really weird, and I'm so annoyed with myself for getting on the wrong boat earlier. It's going to take a while to get over that one, but there you go. Life must go on. First world problems and everything. And I'll let you know what happens with the meal and what information Pandy has, whether there is a bar here. Who knows? So Pandy's come back with the information, which was, there is a bar. Hallelujah. Better now. That serves beer and wine. It's open there?
Yes, you will have to call a gentleman to come down and get some beers, but yes, it is open whenever you want it, and it's open till 11 o'clock, she said.
11 o'clock tonight. If we stay up till that time, we're in serious trouble because we have to get back up at 2. But yeah, we stay at the bar. There's also a swimming pool.
We'll be going to fight on Sunday morning now, isn't it?
Yeah, we could get in trouble.
Won't be the first time. We need to be in Venice.
Oh, wow.
So we come out for a couple of days.
So they have got a bar area here and a seating area here, little library there. That's where you check in. The lady is lovely. She's just serving us beer. She doesn't want to be on camera, which is absolutely fine. That was the way we came in. That's lovely. I'm doing this quickly because it's getting dark really all of a sudden. It's getting dark. So, oh, it's beautiful grounds. And this is, Pandy just said it looks like a chateau from outside. It does a little bit, yeah. Yeah. So they serve breakfast here, and he did say to me that we paid £80. I was hoping it was 60, but £80 is still really good for £80. They take you to the airport, they pick you up from the airport, If you request it, you need to request it, and I think it's €15. I'll have to let you know about that tomorrow when we actually get it, but we have booked it, like I said, for very early in the morning. It's on quite a busy road, but we couldn't hear anything at all because our room is sort of around there on the back. Next time when we bring our helicopter, that's where we can park it. That's the shuttle bus by the looks of it. And one of these, I think, is our hotel room. I think the last one, or maybe that, or maybe, I don't know. But our hotel room's there. There is a pool and a hot tub, which isn't open at this time of year. But I'm not sure whether that's, but I'm guessing that's part of the hotel as well. But yeah, that'll be a nice area in the summer. And that's the side view. Lots of parking. Now time to have a beer and then off to the restaurant. The lady on reception is called Dina. She was just telling Pandy that they do the free shuttle back and forth the restaurant, or there's a restaurant 2
minutes away.
2 minutes away walk.
That's cool, yeah.
So she hasn't called, Dina hasn't called us a taxi yet. Right. And this is the bar. In the shorts. I'll put a photo in of the menu now so you can see what they sell at the hotel. This is a lovely, lovely restaurant. Really nice. It feels homely. It's got everything there. I'll put pictures of the menu up now so you'll be able to see it. It looks fabulous. Really happy that we've chosen this, and it's like under a minute walk from the hotel, which is a bonus as well. They do a free shuttle bus. They do a free shuttle bus from the hotel to another restaurant, but we decided to try the one which is really close, and I'm so glad that we have. I just hope the food's alright. Aldo?
It's me, Pandy.
Oh, you're all talkative now we've had a pint, you know.
Or 2 or 3, I mean, maybe the wine or...
Yeah. What do you think of the meal?
Oh, it's nice. One of the best steaks I've had in my life. And I'm old, so it's a really very good steak. Fair play. That's a medium rare. And it was nice. It's really nice. No blood, but it's still really nice pink inside, which is probably one of the first steaks I've had with no blood on the plate. It's 2 minutes away, which is we are here now, and we just walked from the... So not 2 minutes, it's like literally over the road.
30 seconds, I'd say.
Yeah, it's...
If you're staying here, you've got to go to that restaurant.
No, we've had T-bone steak, basically. Cooked, perfect. Fries, what else we had? We had... you had...
4 beers.
4 beers, we had
a litre of wine.
House red.
I had homemade lasagna, which was delicious.
And we had homemade
half your fries.
tiramisu.
Oh yeah, I
Which
forgot
was
about that.
absolutely
The best tiramisu
fantastic.
ever. It really was. It was lovely.
We give them a bit more than a tip, and they come to 90 euros in total.
Yeah,
So,
but
gotta be
they had
honest.
250
250
euros on tip anyway.
It's got a service charge.
Service
on it, yeah.
charge. But then we give them a little bit more. But yeah, it was lovely. So back to the hotel now. Venice Resort. And we're all fed and watered now, so hi. So we gotta have an early night for an early start tomorrow.